back to Mullet You. This is Keith, aka the Mullet Man, coming back at you with some more wonderful information today. Today we're going to go over what actually is an air filter in your fridge and what does it actually do. We will show you. Now we're going to go with this Whirlpool design product, okay? And what you're going to see is something like, it's going to say airflow, fresh flow, something along those lines. And what it is it's a little filter that goes in your fridge. What happens is the air gets blown through it or sucked through it, depends on where it's located, and it cleans out all the particles in your air, like a filter in your house or one in your car, like the air filter in your car, things along those lines. It just takes out bad taste and bad odors. Now, like I said, this is a Whirlpool design setup. It basically, most all of them will pop off in some way, shape, or form. You'll just put the little cartridge in here, and then you'll put it back in. All your manufacturers will have it. They may call it something a little different, but it's all basically the same thing, okay? Now, if you've got an older fridge and you don't have the space for that, they do make a thing, something like this, that you can actually add to your fridge that will help do the same thing. Are they as effective? No, but they will still do a decent job. So if you don't have one, get something like this. If you do, make sure you're using it correctly because it will help out your food in the future. Okay, most refrigerators have them. Now it's location. On this one, your air is going to be down here inside your drawer. Okay, that's for your fridge. Now if you come to the GEs, some GEs do, some GEs don't. This one doesn't actually have one, but some GEs do, so you gotta look at what unit you have. Okay, let's go to this LG right here. And this LG, okay, see, it has it one up on the back wall, it says fresh air filter, okay? Same principle, same place, this location. Now let's go to the high-end Electrolux. Okay, see, they've got electrical, and it says air filter back there. So some do, some don't. You have to look at your model to find out for sure, okay? So don't hesitate to look. If you have any questions, consult your manufacturer's book. If not, you can call a company and we can figure it out for you. You folks have a good day.